When you're gone, how do you want to be remembered?
As not only as an entertainer, but as a person who cared. If you have a dream, don't let anybody take it away. And you always believe that the impossible is always possible.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I did some decoration behind me and also Merry Christmas! I fell in love with Selena Quintanilla makeup and her character and her nature. I mean everything of her, okay? So I did her makeup look. I think it's perfect for Christmas. And if you don't know who is Selena Quintanilla, she's a Mexican famous icon singer, and she is actually behind the Selena Gomez name. Okay, so stop blabbering and let's go to the video. Starting with a clean face as usual, and first step is the primer. It's a little bit ugly, but yeah, don't mind it. Don't see that, okay? As it's winter, so I'm using a moisturizer primer. Moisturizing primer. Oh, me. Today I'm doing my brows first for a change. Selena's eyebrows had a really round shape, so I'm doing a quite round shaped brows, but it didn't turn out that much round. It turned out arch. I'm so sorry for that. Now I'm cleaning my eyebrows with concealer and also priming my lips with concealer for the eye makeup. For today's eye makeup, I'm using Technic this palette, and I'm taking this color as my transition shade. I'm starting with a really tiny teeny brush, but that didn't turn out that much great, so I'm switching my brush. I'm doing the same thing on my other eye. When I'm feeling that I'm satisfied with the blending, I'm moving to another color, and I'm taking this orange shade for my next transition shade, because Selena's eye makeup is a little bit warm but my turn out a little bit cool tone, so I go for orange. Now I'm taking this brown color and cleaning my eyelid. But it didn't work out that much great, so I'm first cleaning my eyelid with concealer, and then I'm going to apply the brown color. Brown color? No, the bold color eyeshadow. I'm doing so much mistake. Next, I'm taking this bone shimmer color and using it as my brown highlighter. I'm doing a winged eyeliner because Selena had really plain winged eyeliner, so I'm doing that. I'm doing the same thing on my other eye. Let's move to the face makeup, and for face makeup I'm using Algar Pro Matte Foundation. For my concealer I'm using Maybelline Asian Concealer, and I'm putting the concealer on my under eye, on my nose. Usually I don't put concealer on my nose, but Selena has really white nose and longer also than me, so I'm putting the concealer on my nose for the whiter effect, and also a little bit on my smile line. I'm blending the concealer with Beauty Blender. I'm setting the concealer with W7 loose powder, because Selena had really matte face, so powdering is must, and I'm going to also set my full face with powder. I'm putting some black on my lower lash line and smashing it with a clean brush. Now I'm taking the bone color eyeshadow and smashing the black I put first. For my mascara, I'm using Technic mascara. I'm doing one coat of peach eyelash and also putting mascara on my under eye. For contour, I'm taking this palette and taking this shade for my contouring. Her contouring was a little bit rounded, so I'm trying to do that, a really rounded contour. I'm doing my nose contour really precisely for looking like her, and her nose was a little bit wider than me, so I'm doing a little bit contour on the side of my nose and a little bit darker than usual. Now I'm taking the shimmer color again and using it as my inner corner highlighter. Now it's time for lips, and for lips I'm taking a red lipstick because she's full of red and orange vibe. And I'm doing my lips a little bit bigger because her lips is a little bit fluffy than me. Now I'm taking an orange lipstick and putting a little bit in the middle of the lips for a orangish vibe of lipstick, because her lip color is a little bit red and orange mix. Now I'm doing my hair like her. Her hair is curly, and for that I'm doing my hair in a ponytail and then curling it. If you want a details tutorial, tell me, I'm going to do that, but I'm not pro, as you're going to see, and my hair don't take any kind of styling rather than straight hair, like what God gifted me, okay? So it's really hard for me to do curl. That's it. There is the end of the makeup. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the ring bell, also hit the thumbs up button and share with your friends. Remember it? You better remember it, okay? And last but not the least, Merry Christmas again to you, and I hope your Christmas is going to be the blast, and finally this year going to be end. The end. This curse year going to end, and I'm really happy for that. Okay, Tata. See you soon.